All right, y'all, we back. It was a little delay, getting videos out. I said I was going to, put up a lot of videos, so I'm still going to try my best to do that. This is the Venom Ghost. We got this about, I can be off, maybe about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago. Brand new, they shipped it to us. It ride pretty good. I'm gonna give a review. I only got about 350 miles on it. Can't really see that, that's flipping. But I got about 350 miles on it. I haven't really rode it all crazy like that. I might do maybe like 2 miles here, maybe like 15 miles here, and then like 2 miles again. Like, I haven't been able to really ride it like that. But a couple of the mods that I did so far on this, I did the rear sprocket, and then we went with a X chain. I hope I'm saying it right. We put on the rear shock. We ordered that from Amazon. It was pretty much, just bolt on, just kind of replace the new one, take those 2 bolts out, replace it. I'm not sure if this is the highest setting, but I did get it to be a little bit higher than what it was. So as you can see, we did like a little alteration on the back. I seen this Harley, I think it's a Sportster. Yeah, I think it's a Sportster. So originally, right here, it was the license plate, and then you had the license plate light right here. So I just kind of cut this off right here because I wanted, I kind of wanted a Sportster look a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want it to like have that Harley Davidson look right there. So I kind of cut that. Yeah, so we also added the LED light right here. During the daytime, it's not too bright. You still can see it, but at nighttime, like it really glow. I got a little bit of footage at night, so I'm gonna upload that too. Let y'all see that. If anybody was thinking of, getting a different look to it, but I kind of like it though. Y'all let me know. Another thing that we did, I didn't really do too much. We did as much as I wanted. We did add this grill right here, the front grill. I ordered that, I think, from Amazon. I really like that. It makes it look, kind of Sportster but aggressive. So kind of added that. And it wasn't like a direct fit. Like, we kind of Jimmy rigged this joint. So, we kind of welded it because, it doesn't really fit this. I wasn't doing all that crazy stuff. Like, this bike is it's not worth it to me to be welding stuff and, changing all these parts and stuff like that. So I just, I kind of still welded together, and then I, kind of tied it right here and give it a little Sportster look. So, if you, want to kind of take the cheaper route, you can. You don't have to always. It's not an expensive bike. And then another thing, we did the vinyl wrap in gold on this right here. I really do like that. Kind of changes the look up a little bit. I get a lot of compliments on this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I get a lot of compliments riding around. Kids, they definitely love to be like, "Yo, man, I love your bike, man. It's really nice." So, it gives it that Harley Cruiser look without being a actual Harley Cruiser. So, now the cons that I'm finding with this bike, and I actually had to pull over and discuss this. Man, she, like, even though we changed the sprocket, to be honest, she's really like not opening up as much as I thought she would. Like, she's barely even getting up to like 60. And when I first bought the bike, like, I wasn't really trying to open it up. I was trying to give it that break-in period. But she was doing like way above that. Like, she was like, I think I had got it up to maybe like 62. I'm riding downhills and it's not even getting up to 60. So I don't know what's going on with that. If y'all can let me know, what I can change or alter, what I might have to, you know, kind of change. I'm not sure. It might be that, you know, this throttle cable is so long that like you have to adjust it, but after that it's still a little bit of play in it, so still a little bit, you know, too much play. So but you know, other than that, I'm riding it around right now. I'm taking it on a little hour and a half ride. um it's not really, it's not too comfortable, man, knowing that I can't really get up to 60, 65. Now I understand I'm a big guy, but you know, I'll be riding down hills, man, and like I don't understand what's going on there. So if y'all can let me know what I might have to do, some alterations in the motor, if I got to change anything, I don't know. You can always let me know in the comments. I appreciate your likes. Like and subscribe to this video. I'll be bringing you more content. All right, I'm out.